Today we are making the ultimate spring beverage, so stick around to find out what it is and how to make it. Phase 1 is to gather the supplies, Phase 2 is prep, and Phase 3 is assemble. First up, we are going to gather our flavours, these being elderflowers and lemons, so let's go gather them. Are you getting some flowers?
Here I'm only cutting the ones with the flowers on it. Anything without the flowers doesn't have that flavour. Hence the name elderflower cordial. With these ones here I'm going to leave them on there because they don't have any flowers. I probably should have done it earlier. Flowers are already starting to fall off, and then these will go into berries, which you can also make jams and stuff out of. Today we're just focusing on the flowers. Look at that.
Alright, so we have gathered our supplies. Next, for our prep, we need to cut the stems off the elderflowers and check for any bugs. Once we've done that, we need to cut the lemons up. Once we've done this, we're going to cover this in water and let it sit for 24 hours. On to Phase 3, assemble. Okay, it's been 24 hours. Now we're going to strain it to remove all the lemons and flowers from the liquid, saving the infused goodness. Once that's done, it's time to take some water and sugar. I think I did about 2 kgs of sugar here and 1 litre of water for this lot. And we're going to heat it up until the sugar is fully dissolved to make a sugar syrup. Then I pour the sugar syrup into the elderflower and lemon infused water to create elderflower cordial. We like to use this cordial with sparkling water to give fresh and floral vibes. We use roughly 1 part cordial to 6 parts water. So that's our elderflower cordial there. Hope you enjoyed this video.